Hi, Brent. I had a spontaneous top-down Kundalini awakening in 2017. My question is there a reason why someone would have a top-down awakening rather than one that starts from the base? Thank you. Great question. I don't have a specific reason for why some experience a top-down awakening or a bottom-up awakening. Um, but these things, it's very possible. Typically, we have this stereotypical idea of Kundalini rises from the root chakra upwards, but that's not how it goes. Many people have a top-down inpouring, a descent of energy from the top of the head down towards the rest of the body. And then from there, it can go up and down, up and down. So I had initially a top-down awakening, then I had a bottom-up awakening. There's many different types of awakenings that we can have. Why some have a particular type of awakening and others don't. I can give some perspectives here, but ultimately the answer boils down to we are all very unique individuals with unique journeys and unique things that we bring to the table from this life, past lifetimes, etc. But what I can say specifically is that there are some top head-based practices which are likely to induce a top-down awakening. So, for example, a practice such as self-inquiry, asking, who am I? Or looking for sort of state of non-dual awareness. These types of practices are very much head-based. They're very much about the psyche, the way that we observe the mind, observe the body. There seems to be a very much head-centered approach here. So this can open up the crown and allow this energy to pour in. This is what happened to me. I was very much performing self-inquiry. Who am I? What is true? What is the nature of reality? I was abiding as awareness, as a witness, observing my mind, observing my thoughts, emotions from a sort of impartial, non-judgmental, silent witness, similar to the ideas that you may see in maybe Eckhart Tolle's work. So that induced a top-down awakening. Whereas others, they may be more body-based. They're performing yoga, kriyas. Maybe they're meditating, but instead of a meditation on, what is true, they're meditating on the breath in the lower belly. Maybe they're performing pranayama. Maybe they're doing psychedelics, which of course has an effect on both the body and the mind, but some have an opening in the body as a result of psychedelics. So that can trigger a bottom-up awakening. So those are some ideas, but ultimately, there is a mysterious element to this, and that's what I like to say. There's a mysterious element to this. Nobody has all the answers. It's as unique as there are individuals in the world, so we all have very unique awakening processes.